to optimize your sleep tracking with the Garmin Fenix 8, Tactix 8 or Enduro 3. It's all the same thing. First thing we want to do is to press and hold the menu button. Then press it up again, go into watch settings and go down to focus mode. Select it, select sleep, and then here we've got a schedule. The schedule is when you're supposed to sleep. Your watch will be more likely to track your sleep into that schedule. You don't have to follow that schedule, but I did realize that it tracks better when you sleep at a specific time every day and you follow that schedule. But again, you don't have to. Then you've got the watch face that is actually set to don't change. By default, it's on sleep. So there's this is the watch face. And in the sleep watch face, it minimizes the information you got on the screen. If you got a solar model that have an MIP screen, I think it's useless. You just have less data and there's no benefits to this. However, if you got an AMOLED model, absolutely use the sleep watch face. Otherwise, your watch will have a very bright light with a lot of information. It will produce a lot of light because the AMOLED display, for every pixel that you see, it does produce light. So this is why you got something that minimizes it. So watch face to sleep is important for AMOLED model, not for MIP. Notification and alerts. If you want to disable those, you can do that here. Highly recommend it. Sound and vibe for alert buttons and all those things. If you want a different configuration than your regular use, you can change it here. Display and brightness. Maybe set it to minimum would be a good idea. 5%. You can change the text size and everything. Basically, you have access to all the settings that you have regularly, but now inside the sleep mode. Once this is done, there's another very important thing, because at this moment, the watch will track your sleep. But if you want to have it on the Garmin Connect app, there is something important you need to do, and it's to reach more, then settings, and then here there is the device priority, and make sure that the primary wearable is the watch you sleep with. Otherwise, as I said, the watch will track the sleep and you will have the result in the morning, but it will not transfer that information on the Garmin Connect app unless it is selected over here. So this is it. I hope this was helpful.